Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this tutorial video I'll be showing you how to use Replit as a beginner. So it's Replit or Replit, anyhow you pronounce it. Alright, so once you're logged on to replit.com, it says here you can simply turn your ideas into apps. So basically, I think they have an AI program similar to Bolt that can help you create websites or web apps or even applications that are fully functional, uh, provided they are not in beta phase, but they can help you build apps. What will you create? The possibilities are endless. So let's go ahead and log in because I've already signed up. So make sure you've signed up for replit.com and you have an account so you can access their features and all that good stuff. And also, besides having an account, you must uh, take note that they have payment plans for either teams or individuals. So I set up for the free plan. So let's go ahead and click on login. So go ahead and log into Replit. I'm going to be using my Google account. So I'm going to skip this part. All right. So once you've logged into replit.com, you're first met with a greeting. So, hi, what do you want to make? All right. So let's get a few things off the table. First off, Replit allows you to program in several languages: HTML, CSS, C Sharp, C++, Java, Python, and many other programming languages. So I'm going into this as a beginner, as I do say whenever I'm working with AIs that build websites. I'm going into this as a beginner, so please, if I make any mistakes that a seasoned veteran like yourself would have been able to avoid, let me know down in the comments. But besides that, I'll be tackling this tutorial from the perspective of a beginner. So let's jump right in. So you're asking, describe an app or website you would like to create. So you could go with stock analysis, local landmarks, or the AI chat. So that's if you want to create an AI chat. You could also make use of something that can help improve your prompt. I don't know if this is a pro feature or free. App type, we have auto modern web app made with React and Node.js. Uh, Interactive data app made with Streamlit and Python. 3D game, 3JS games, web app, Python. All right, so what are we gonna build? What kind of app or website do we want to create? But before we get into that, we have apps that you can visit and show. We have the deployments that's on this tab here at your top left. We have home, apps, deployment, usage, teams, explore Replit. They have bounties, templates. You could learn the documentation and your plan. So your starter plan, your pro plan, your team plan is shown here. All right, so let's go ahead and describe an app or website we'd like to create. Okay, so I went ahead with a simple landing page for an orphanage. So we could improve this prompt. So let's go ahead and improve the prompt and see what comes up. A compassionate landing page, blah, blah, blah. Style colors, soft blue, warm yellow. Okay, this is more detailed than I would imagine. So I don't know how it's going to go ahead and build this. So let's find out. So when you click on the start building, it's going to create an app or a website. So let's simply have a look at this. Let's allow Replit to work. Okay, so once you've entered your prompt, you're taken to your workspace on Replit.com. So welcome to the workspace. Here's where all the magic happens. Let's have a look around. So you have an agent, an automated developer. An agent is an automated developer that plans and generates entire projects, occasionally pausing to ask you for feedback. Use agents when you can or when you want to build a new project from scratch. Generate a build plan for your project and make complex multi-step changes. 25 cents per checkpoint. Okay, I think that will be important. Doc, which is open files and tools. In addition to AI tools, you can access code files and other workspace features via the doc. which is, I believe, on our left hand side. And we also have the run button to preview your app. When working with Assistant, you can click the run button at any time to see its output. Okay. All right, so welcome to the Replit workstation where we have the preview tab. The app is currently not running. Agent is working on it. Okay. So, a compassionate and welcoming landing page. I'll help you create a plan for an orphanage landing page based on the details you provided. Plan finished less than a minute ago. Whoa. Okay. Tech stack. It's a modern web app, initial version, uh, a compassionate and welcoming landing page. Would you like any of these additional features? All right, so I believe our AI agent is almost done building. So it's waiting for my message and it says, would you like any of these additional features? We can also make changes later. Add a success story, implement donation processing with payment gateway, create event calendar for upcoming fundraisers, and add volunteer application system. Wow. And you wouldn't even have to do a lot of work as someone who hasn't interacted with programming. Like I said, I go into this as a beginner, so this is really maddening. So I'm not going to tick any of these boxes. I'm just going to approve the plan and let's just get started. I don't want to get too excited, but Replit looks really good. Okay, so get notified when your app is ready so you could scan the QR code. Wow, okay. This is really interesting. So let's see what it has planned for us. The preview, this is a visual preview of your app. The agent is currently creating a fully interactive version. Wow. Okay, so it started building our app. Um, okay, the plan, visual preview. Okay, visual preview, interactive prototype. All right, so on the left-hand corner of your screen, we have the preview tab, to preview whatever you're running on Replit.com. We have the console. We have the console, which is the view terminal output. That's for, to view what's running your code. You could configure your run command. We also have database and deployment. So you could publish a live, stable, and public version of your app unaffected by the changes you make in your workspace until you redeploy it, I believe. And then we have all your tools. So we have integrations, connect Replit native and external services. We have Authent beta, object storage, Replit key value. And here's a really cool feature. So Replit has what we call collaborations. So collaborations are basically kind of like team projects, basically. So it's a feature that Replit has where you can work alongside your team members, friends, family members, co-workers on an entire project. But here's the thing, you need to be able to, you're going to need to pay for that service. It's a paid service, it's not free, but it's really good seeing as many people can log in and, kind of like finish the work together, if you get where I'm coming from. All right, so it has threads, comment and discuss topics with collaborators directly inside code or text files. Workspace features agent assistant. Oh, answers questions, refines code, and makes precise edits. Wow. Okay, so your agent is making the changes. So your agent is basically the one building the website, while your assistant is who you can talk to. Wow, that is really cool. Um, Version control, Git, dependencies, console, code search. Wow. All right, let's head back to agent here. So it's still building a visual preview. And then we have the interactive prototype coming up next. So let's click on preview, designing visual preview. So once it's done, we're going to get notified. So let's give it some time to get done with the code. So guys, this is the website that has fully been built by Replit.com. Like it's crazy. I just gave it a simple prompt. I then advanced the prompt using their AI feature on the text bar, and it presented a landing page, a clear website for an orphanage. It's crazy. There's the about, there's the mission, vision, what we do, safe housing, education, emotional support, impact stories, what people say, photo gallery, all generated by Replit.com. Financial support, you can donate, you can volunteer, you can sponsor a baby. No, this is this is crazy because just a couple of minutes ago I paused this. This was 13 minutes ago. It finished it in 11. I really don't know what's going on here, so I'm not gonna get into it too much. But this is every single programming language it's used so far. You can see the different languages it's used in building this website. So it configured and it ran. The website is fully functional. You can make changes, and it's asking, how do you find the orphanage landing page? Is the layout and visual design appealing? Are all sections like the hero, about us, what we do, displaying properly? Is there anything we could do to improve in terms of user experience? Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. Like, this is a crazy, this is actually crazy because I ran this on boat.new. It actually was a success. I just didn't get the preview. Now, this asks if you're seeing, like, if you can get the preview. You could even enter your email address. Like, it's crazy. This is actually a crazy um, AI tool. So that's how you can go about using Replit.com to create websites and apps. Uh, I think the next thing we'd be looking at is the console. That's if you want to take a look at the console. This is the port. You can see the time for running. You can see the routes. We also have the database, fully managed database with 10 gigabyte fast read write storage. So you can upgrade your plan to create a database. So Replit core members receive $25 a month in credits to offset expenses. You could view your allocations and see pricing. We also have the deployments. I think this is the deployment tab. You could publish a live and stable version of your app unaffected by the changes you make here. Scale up and down to meet demand exactly. And then we have the tools. So the agent is still running. You can stop it. So I'm going to go ahead and stop. Stopping your project can lead to unexpected interruptions. All right, let's cancel that for now in case we need anything. So we have the dev tools, which is on the tab here, and you can kind of like go through it. Let's see if we can make this full screen. Okay, so this is it on full screen. It has full screen support. There's the about us, there's the our impact stories, there's the gallery for photos, and wow, it's just it's just looking so good. All right. Um, like I said, you could invite people to kind of like view what you're working on, but that's on the basis that you get the team package on Replit. All right, guys. So this is how you can use Replit as a beginner to simply create content or create a fully functional and fledged application or website. It's really crazy. You can even create or start a new chat with your AI agent and get back to this. Alright guys, so that's everything. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning what you've seen, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.